if you're a content creator, at this point, I do believe that the word shadow ban is not new to you. That is because most content creators on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, IG, TikTok, etc. do face shadow ban. Facing shadow ban does not mean you should quit YouTube. It does not mean that you should stop uploading. It's simply a time for you to keep posting on that social media platform. Let the platform recognize you, that you are still in existence. One thing about shadow ban is this: once you are shadow banned, your videos will begin to have lesser numbers of views. For instance, if you used to have 100,000 views, 300,000 views, 1 million views, your views will automatically decrease. So like I rightly said, it is not time for you to quit. It is not time for you to stop uploading. Keep uploading. But why I'm making this video is to teach you how to check if your social media platform, if your YouTube channel is shadow banned. So all I want you to do for me at this point is for you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly like this video, kindly share my video, let other persons see my channel through you. So at this point, I will hold you by the hand, take you over to my screen recorder where you see everything that I am going to do. Come with me, guys. Okay, guys, at this point, what you need to do is to come over to your browser, any browser of your choice. So once you come over to your browser, you're going to type hello zonat YT checker, monetization YT checker. So oftentimes I don't like stressing myself, so what I just do is I have the link already. I like pasting the link, so I'm going to drop this link for you. I'm going to drop this link for you in the description of this video, so you don't get to stress yourself, you understand? So once you paste the link, it will automatically bring you here. It will bring you to this interface. So I don't know if you can see this, if you can see YouTube shadow ban check. I don't know if you can see it. So at this point, we are not going directly into this. We need to get the link to our channel, you understand? So the information we get will be accurate. So at this point, I'll have to minimize, then I'll go to my YouTube so I can get the link to my channel. So in case you'll be checking this out for your channel, same thing I'm doing is what you should do. Then at this point, I'll go back, I'll come here, I'll paste the link. Now that I've pasted the link, then I'll put in this number 847, then you click on enter. Once you click on enter, you wait for it to load. Sometimes it takes some time, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it's always very fast. So here we are. The name of my channel is already here. So guys, I'm going to tell you everything that this checker does. So at this point, it has told you that the channel monetization is off. This is because this particular channel is not monetized yet. That is why it is off. So if it is monetized, it wouldn't be off, you understand? You just see here will be green, you understand? So this other one, channel advertising status, ads not active. Ads are not active because the channel is not monetized. That's why ads are not active. So here you see the category how to and lifestyle. Here you see region where this channel is restricted. So you now see that this particular place there are no restrictions. Guys, this is where I want you to pay so much attention. There are no restrictions here. So in case maybe people are telling you that your channel is restricted, you understand, so you know what to do next. So like this one, my videos go everywhere, you understand? So the next thing is location, which is Nigeria, my dial code, which is that of Nigeria, region, which is we are mixed, you understand? So it says that this channel was created 7 years ago. So this is about 2,760 69 days. So this is the channel tags. Here is the channel tags. So here is it. Here are they, guys. So at this point you can see subscribers, you can see videos, you can see if I upload frequently on the channel or not. All of these are here. So guys, you can always go ahead to check all of this for your own channel. See, let me tell you something. Truth be told, if your channel is shadow banned, you will definitely know. You understand? So this place says YouTube shadow ban checker. So guys, let us click on it. Now that we've clicked on it, you wait for it to load. So now I will go copy that link again. Okay, I think I still have the link. Then I'll put the number. The number is 945. Then you submit it. Once you submit it, you wait for it to load. So now that it is done loading, guys. This is it. This channel is not shadow banned. If it was shadow banned, this is where you'll be told that your channel is shadow banned. Like, it's not getting to some regions, but this one is already telling me that there are no restrictions. So if I make videos, my videos get to people in the UK, in the US, in Spain, Italy, France, all parts of the country. You understand? So there are no restrictions here. So guys, if you know that after checking this, maybe you have some restrictions, you can let me know in the comment section so that we know how to help you. You understand? Then if you are monetized, you saw that place I showed you now, it is supposed to show green and not show red. So what am I saying in a nutshell? Keep posting videos, keep posting. Do not give up. I don't know how to say this enough. Do not give up, guys. So this is what I'm going to do at this point. I will drop this link in the comment section of this video, so in case you want to check out your YouTube monetization status, you can equally check it out. It's not meant for people who are monetized only. It is not also meant for people who have not monetized. So anybody can check. You can check if you are shadow banned. You can check if your channel is in good standing with YouTube. You can just check. You understand? So by the time you check, that's when you get to know if your channel is actually in good standing with YouTube or not. So you know how to amend your ways now that you have not yet monetized. So if you watch my video to this point, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.